Hello students, today we are going to discuss scope of variables in chapter 7. What is scope of variables? The scope of variables refers to the part of a program where it is accessible, that is area where you can use it. So what do you mean by that? The scope says how the variables can be used. That is, it refers the accessibility of a variable. That means where we can use it. That is inside the function or outside the function or throughout the program. So that is called as the scope. Okay, and it holds a current set of variables and their values. And in Python, we have two types of scopes. One is local scope, another one is global scope. Okay. First, we will discuss about local scope. A variable declared inside the function body or in the local scope is known as the local variable. Okay, that is the variable declared inside the function. There is no declaration, separate declaration in Python. That means if we are initializing a variable means that is called as a declaration. Okay, so a variable initialized inside the function means then it is called as a local variable and it has the local scope. What are the rules for local variable? A variable with the local scope can be accessed only within the function or block that is created in it. Okay, so when a variable is created that inside a function means it can be accessed only inside the function. So we cannot access outside it. When a variable is created inside, the variable becomes local to it. Same meaning only. The local variable only exists when the function is executing. That means as long as the function control is inside the function, the variable will be existing there. Okay. So if we exit the function and if we access that local variable, you will get an error. So it cannot be accessed outside the function where it is created. So it can be used function குள்ளார மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். So the formal arguments are also local to your function. Okay, so in the function definition we will be writing the parameters that is called as the formal arguments. So that also called as the local scope. That variables it is also called as a local variable or it has a local scope. That means it can be used only within inside the function. So local variable are called as a variable which can be accessed only inside the function. It cannot be accessed outside the function. Okay, that is called as a local scope. If we see the example, so def loc y is equal to 0, print of y loc. Okay, so here we are initial, this is the function and here y is equal to 0, so this is declared inside the function, so it has a local scope. So this y is called as a local variable. I am giving print statement. Now this is the call statement. So automatically what happens, it will when there is a call statement, control move to the local function and here y is equal to 0, y value is 0, print of y, so we'll be getting the output as 0. Okay, so this variable y has a local scope because it is declared inside the function. And next, the same variable, another example, def loc y is equal to local print of y. Here y is initialized with local. Okay, and there is no print statement inside this function. There is a call statement, that is loc. Then after the call statement, so once the call statement is executed, y will be initialized with local. Okay, now print of y, this is a print of y is outside the function I have given. Okay, that means we are accessing the variable y outside this function. Okay, so you will get an error, name y is not defined. That means the variable which is defined inside the function is local and it can be accessed only inside this function. But I have given the print statement outside the function. This is the main program. After the call statement, I have written print of y. So you will get an error because we are accessing the local variable. So you will get an error. Okay. Suppose if this print statement I have given inside this function means, then you will get the output as local. Okay, so once we are defining or declaring a variable inside the function, it is limited, only we can use within the function. It cannot be used outside the function. Next, global scope. A variable with a global scope can be used anywhere in the program. Okay, so local scope is limited only within the function. Okay, suppose I want to use throughout the program means, then I have to go for the global scope. So variable with a global scope can be used anywhere in the program. So it can be created by defining a variable outside the scope of any function or block. That means global scope variable can be used throughout the program. Okay, anywhere we can use that program. But then where we have to declare means we have to create or declare outside the function. Okay, outside the function, if we are initializing or if you are declaring any variable, that is called as a global variable. Okay, that means it has a global scope. That means we can use throughout the entire program. So we use the next third point. We use a global keyword to read and write a global variable inside a function. Suppose I want to change that value, that is I want to read or write the global variable inside the function means then I have to make use of the global keyword. Then I have to write that variable as a global. Use of global keyword outside a function has no effect. If you are using that keyword outside function, doesn't have any effect. Okay, now we will see the example you can understand. So the variable declared outside any function means it is called as the global variable. Variable declared inside the function means that is called as a local variable. And global variable can be used throughout the program. Example for accessing a global variable. So C is equal to 1, def add print of C add. Okay, so C is a global variable here. So C is defined outside this function. Okay, above the function I have defined this variable C and it is initialized with 1. Okay, def add, and add is the function. Inside that I have one statement, print of C, printing the value of C, and there is a call statement add. So automatically what happens, the value of C will be printed and you will get the output as 1. Okay, so this is global variable. Next, C is equal to 1. Again, you have global variable. Def add global C. I have one statement, global C. That is, I am using the keyword global in front of this variable C. Then I have C is equal to C plus 2, print of C, add. This is the call statement. So what happens? C value is initialized with 1. It is defined outside the function. So it is a global variable. And I am using one statement, C is equal to C plus 2. That means I want to increment this value, that is I am changing. If you are modifying this global variable, before using this statement I have to write the keyword global. Then I have to write like this, global C, then only we can modify this value. Okay, so now print of C means you will get the output as 3. Suppose if I am not writing global C and we are modifying this value means then you will get the error. So that is what we have learned in the previous points. That means if I want to read or write this, or if I want to modify this global variable, then I have to make use of the keyword global. If you are not writing this global C means then automatically you get the error. Okay, so next one, using global and local variable in the same code. We are using both the variables in the same program. X is equal to 8. So X is it's defined outside, so it's a global variable. And defined def low, this is a function, and we have written global X. That means we are going to change the value of X. That's why we are written this statement. Made use of the keyword global. Y is equal to local. We are initializing Y with string local. That means this is a local. It is defined inside. So we have two variables. One is X, another one is Y. Y is defined outside. So it is a global variable. And this X is defined outside. So it is a global variable. And Y is defined inside this function. So it is a local variable. Okay. And X is equal to X into 2. So what is the value? 8. 8 into 2, 16. And since we are changing this value, we are writing this statement global X. Okay. Print X, print Y. So we'll be getting the output as 16 and local. Okay. So Y is defined inside, so it becomes local. And X is defined outside, it becomes global. Okay. And we are changing the value of global variable. So we are using the keyword global X. So now we'll see the program execution of a local and global variable. First, def loc X is equal to 10, print of X low. That means X is the variable which is defined inside. So this is X is becomes a local variable. Okay, now we'll see the output. So 10 is the answer. You are getting the output as 10. Okay. Suppose I am writing this print statement. I am writing this print statement inside. Okay. I am writing this print statement outside. Let us see what happens. Print of X. Now so it's showing the error, name X is not defined. Why means we are accessing this local variable outside the function. So it's showing error. So this variable can be used only inside. So it's showing us the error. Next, suppose in the same program I'm writing. So if I want to access outside also means then this variable should become global. If I want to make it as global, that variable should be initialized or defined outside the function. So we have to write like this. I'm writing x is equal to x plus 1. I want to change it. Okay, you are changing the value, then definitely we should use global. Suppose if I'm writing like this, see, let us see the error. Local variable x reference before assignment. Okay, unbound local error. So this is global. Actually it has become global. So we want to modify this value. So make use of the keyword global. Now I'm writing global x. Global x. Now we fix it. So we are getting the output. So we are allowed to modify this value, and we can also print the value outside this function. Okay. So in this example, we are using both local as well as the global. So x is equal to 8, it is defined outside. So it's a global variable. Global x I am using because I am going to change the value of x. And y I am initialized with the local, that is a local variable. Now I am printing both the values. So we will be getting the output. Let us see, x value is 8, 8 into 2, 16. Y value will be local. Okay. So 16 and local. We are getting the output. Suppose I am using same name, x is equal to 8. I am writing here x is equal to 5. Okay. Or I am writing some string value x is equal to 5. X is equal to local. Okay. Outside I have x is equal to 8. That is a global variable. Inside I have written x is equal to local. So I am writing print of x. Okay. And then I am writing print of x. Let us see what output we are getting. So with the same name but with the different scopes. One is outside the function, so it has a global scope. Another one is declared inside the function, that has the local scope. I am getting local and again local. Both x refers only to the local variable. It is not taking this global variable. Okay. So if I want to print that also means then I have to write this print statement outside. Since that print x I am defining inside, so that local variable will be considered. If I give print of x outside this function means then this will take the global variable and this x takes the local variable. Okay, so if it is given inside, if we are accessing inside means that considers the local variable. Both has the same name. So if you are giving the print statement inside the function means that takes only the local variable. If you are giving outside the function, that takes the global variable. Now let us see the output. See local and 8. So this print statement refers to the local variable. So we are getting the output as local. And this print of x refers to the global variable because global variable can be accessed outside the function. So we get the output as 8. So we can give that is a variable with the same name with different scope. Okay, both are having same name but with a different scope. If it is accessed inside means then it will be considering the local variable. If it is accessed outside means it considers the global variable.